How's everyone doing? So today I'm going to do a quick how-to video on how to change your angel light bulbs from standard halogen to LED. So all you're going to need for this is a flathead. Let's go. So first things first, you're going to want to pop this off. Just get a little flathead down there. That right there is the boy. So if you can see here, all I'm going to do is one finger, I'm just going to push it, and that whole piece you just pull out. There you go. So all we want to do here is just pull these clips like that. The old one just pulls straight off. I'm going to chuck it away because I'm never going to use that again. So just a quick heads up, if you've got one like this, I was struggling to get it in because of the way this is, but if you just push them together, they're spring loaded. So if you push it together, put it in, they'll release, and as soon as you've got it in, I twisted it anti-clockwise on the left hand side, then you can see that it's nice and tight in there, so you can see the difference. It actually looks a hell of a lot better. So there you go guys, it's literally that simple. It's probably the easiest mod that I've ever done on the E92, and it just looks so much better, it looks so much newer as well. So yeah, follow this step-by-step guide, you can't really go wrong. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video, peace out.
Yeah, I'm here to stay. I don't fuck around, boy, I mean what I say. You done playing nice, but I'm tired of playing. Take it how you want it, but I'm sick of the waiting. Man, I'm done with y'all faking, I'm just over this shit. I've been too kind like a copy and print. I got a lot of songs, where the fuck is your head? It goes for anyone that ever doubted the kid. I ain't got a huge circle, I've been good on my own. Working non-stop on our airplane mode.